This is before, this is after. Using the Photoshop, choose a camera raw filter and increase sharpness, also the noise reduction for grays. Already presetted in this presetted column. Just I adjust the red, green, blue in this saturation, hue, saturation and luminance level. And change it into magenta. Correct the exposure level, change vibrance for a improved color contrast. When you're done, just open it. Select the pen tool and cut out the slowly tint glass for a glowness effect. Paste into a new layer, change in modes to linear. And reduce lighting level for a night vision. Cut out the snails to make glowness light by same method, adding linear. Add some Gaussian blur for background blur and focus your subject's snails. That's important. And change the green into blue, adjusting hue and saturation bar. And finally add some interesting like stars or any other you want. That's your wish. Okay, thank you all. Finally this video on next video.